baby.
Do you want to see my cuddle ball?
Yeah, what's a cuddle ball?
This is a cuddle ball.
Aw, adorable. Hey, are you ready to go on an adventure?
Yes.
We're gonna go on a boat today and see some mermaid pools. But we're gonna be in the car for a long time, so I'm sorry to wake you up early.
I was expecting this.
Well, I guess it's okay as long as you were expecting it.
Yeah.
Oh, sunglasses.
Should be open with.
Adventure day! We ready? Ready for our adventure?
First thing first, buckle your seatbelt.
Got it. So we've just driven 2 hours from Matakana to Tutukaka, where we are renting a boat and we're gonna launch to go out to Poor Knight's island cluster. Ben is really excited because Poor Knight's has some really good scuba diving. They're consistently on the top 10 diving list, and so he's gonna practice his free diving, which he's been eager to do for a long time now. Whit and I are gonna just be hanging out on the boat while he dives. We'll probably go snorkeling and stuff. We have wetsuits and that sort of stuff, but we don't scuba. I'm a little nervous about it though because the water is supposed to be really choppy. The woman that we're renting the boat from warned us that there's 1 meter swells and it's a speedboat type boat. So it's gonna be pretty crazy to drive out there. It'll take about an hour for us to get to Poor Knight's, so kind of nervous, but hopefully we still have fun. Hello!
We made it to the Poor Knights.
We finally made it. So we were told that it usually takes around 40 minutes to take this speedboat to the Poor Knights island cluster. It took us an hour and 20 minutes. It was even estimated that it might take us an hour because the swells were really big today, but we were feeling a little seasick and Whit didn't really like jumping over the big swells, so we took it even slower. When we first came out of the harbor, we were doing about 8 knots because the swells were just ridiculous. We were hitting huge waves, getting splashed all over. The boat was just like twisting from side to side, but Ben was a great captain and made sure that we went as perpendicular to the waves as possible to try and minimize the effect. But
I don't even know if that's the right thing.
it was bad. It was definitely an adventure.
My first time driving in the ocean on a boat.
So it's one of the top 10 diving sites in the world because it has really clear water and really incredible marine life. Even just sticking our heads over the side of the boat, we're seeing some beautiful fish really close to the surface. So Ben's gonna go free diving, we're gonna do some snorkeling.
Suze is gonna go snorkeling too. You can't come all the way out here.
The sun is coming out, so it's getting a little bit warmer, but I don't like being in cold water, so we gotta get that warmth back.
We have towels.
Yeah.
You ready for Geronimo? Okay. All right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Geronimo!
my gosh, this is so beautiful. Check out the color of that water.
17 meters.
What do you guys think?
This is awesome.
Yeah.
Woo! Good job.
All right. There's some rough seas over there.
So pretty though. So Ben's gonna fly the drone again because we found some really beautiful spots out here. The only problem is that there's nothing nearby the beautiful spots that's shallow enough for us to drop anchor, which means that now I'm driving the speedboat for the first time in the ocean. He just gave me a crash course in how to go forward and how to go to reverse. I've never driven a speedboat before, I've never needed to, so hopefully we don't crash into any rocks while Ben is on the drone controls. This is the AI that's going to come to life and kill us one day. Hey Ben,
Yeah.
you are an awesome drone pilot.
Oh man, I'm even nervous.
But you totally handled it.
All right, so we are on our way back. We're giving us plenty of time because it took us an hour and 20 minutes, which should normally take 40 minutes. We don't really like hitting the waves too hard. And I expect the waves should be at least as bad as they were this morning.
Oh no, do you think they might be worse?
There's a chance.
But aren't they going in the direction that we want?
Well, they're going that way and we need to go kind of across.
Oh, so it's going to be just as
It's
bad.
kind of the same on the way back and they seem bigger.
No!
So
It'll take us even longer.
maybe.
You ready?
I guess so.
No!
Oh, we'll be okay. Keep your life jacket on.
Teacher went to drive the same day Mommy learned how.
Alright, so we're going to have to go around that red buoy. I'm going to have it go a little bit slower. We'll just coast around it.
Is he gonna do it?
I think you can do it. Great. Hold on, don't turn yet. Let me get it closer.
And don't forget to
Subscribe!
subscribe!